Further expansion of algebraic expressions. Let us revise expansion and simplification of algebraic terms. Part A, you have to distribute 4 into every term in the bracket. You get 4r plus 16. Next, we have to distribute positive 6 into every term in the bracket. You will get 12r plus 18. To simplify, we have to add up the like terms. 4r plus 12r, 16 plus 18. We get 16r plus 34. Part B. Let's distribute 7 into the terms in the bracket. We will get 14a minus 7b. Next, we have to distribute negative 3 into every term in the bracket. Negative 3 times 3a, we get negative 9a. Negative 3 times negative 2b, we get plus 6b. To simplify, let's rearrange the terms. 14a minus 9a, we get 5a. Negative 7b plus 6b, we get negative 1b. For further expansion, you have to distribute a plus b into every term in the next bracket. So let's do this step by step. We follow the arrows. A multiply x, we get ax. Followed by a times y, we get ay. For b, we times x, we get bx. And lastly, by. Since we cannot further simplify, we shall leave it as it is. To expand, we have to distribute a plus b into every term in the second set of brackets. So we will get ax plus ay plus az, and we get bx plus by plus bz. For the third example, let's draw the arrows to guide our eyes. So we will get ax, then a times negative y, we get negative ay. Then we have to distribute negative b into every term in the bracket. So we will get negative bx, negative b multiplied by negative y, we get plus by. Take note of the change of sign. For the next example, please try this on your own. Let's check. We will get ax minus ay plus az. Then we distribute negative b to get negative bx. Negative b multiplied by negative y, we get plus by. Then we take negative b multiplied by z, we get negative bz. Example 1, we have to distribute 3 minus p into every term. So we have to draw the arrows to guide our eyes. So 3 times 2p, we get 6p. 3 times positive 7, we get positive 21. Then we have to distribute negative p into every term. We will get negative 2p to the power of 2. And we will get negative 7p. Let's simplify. Negative 2p plus 6p minus 7p plus 21. And we will get positive 6p subtract 7p, we get negative 1p. And plus 21. Example 2. Let's draw the arrows again. So you have to distribute negative 2m. So negative 2m times 2m, you will get negative 4m to the power of 2. Then negative 2m multiplied by negative 1, we get positive 2m. Next, we take 5 times 2m, we will get 10m. Then positive 5 times negative 1, we get negative 5. Let's simplify. Positive 2m plus 10m, we get positive 12m, followed by minus 5. Let's do practice question. Question 1. Let's draw the arrows again. P multiplied by 3p, you will get 3p to the power of 2. Next, p times positive 2, you get positive 2p. Then p multiplied by negative 5r, you will get negative 5pr. Then we distribute negative 2r, and we get negative 6pr. To multiply with 2, you get negative 4r. And next, you multiply it by negative 5r, you will get positive 10r to the power of 2. Let's simplify the like terms. Negative 5pr minus 6pr, we get negative 11pr. Question 2. Let's distribute b squared first. So we will get 6b to the power of 3. Then we get 5b to the power of 2. Then let's distribute b. And we will get positive 6b to the power of 2 minus 5b. And lastly, we distribute negative 4 into the terms in the bracket. And this will give us negative 24b plus 20. Upon simplifying, negative 5b squared plus 6b squared, these two are like terms. So we will get positive 1b squared. Now, the b terms, upon simplifying, we will get negative 29b followed by plus 20. You may pause the video and attempt question 3 and 4. Question 3. According to Bodmer's rule, we have to do the multiplication first. So, we write 3x first, plus 3x plus the product of 9x plus 2 and x minus 6. So you have to use brackets. So let's distribute. We will get 9x power 2 minus 54x. Then we will get positive 2x minus 12. Let's simplify this. When you multiply the plus sign into the terms in the bracket, the sign doesn't change. Let's rearrange the terms. We can simplify the like terms together. So for the x term, we can simplify this and we will get negative 49x minus 12. Question 4. This is a tricky question. Now, According to Bodmer's rule, we have to do the multiplication first before the subtraction. We will need to take 7a, subtract the resultant of the product. So we need to write the brackets. So a times 5, we get 5a, followed by a squared. Then you distribute -2, you will get -10 minus 2a. To remove the brackets, we have to distribute the negative sign into the terms in the bracket. So the sign in the brackets will change. Then we get -a squared plus 10 plus 2a. To simplify, let's rearrange the terms first. And we will get -a squared. For the a terms, 7 minus 5, you will get +2. Then we add 2a, so we will get +4a. Lastly, plus 10. You may pause the video and try question 5 and 6. Let's check. Question 5. Please use the brackets since you have to subtract the resultant of the product. So 5a times 2a, we get 10x power 2. Next we will get plus 5x. Then we distribute -4. So we will get -8x and minus 4. Next, we have to distribute the minus sign into the terms in the bracket, so the sign will change. And then let's simplify. 3x squared minus 10x squared, we will get -7x squared. Next, -5x plus 8x. We will get +3x. Lastly, plus 4. Question 6. According to Bodmer's rule, you have to do the multiplication first before the subtraction. So we have to distribute 4x into the terms in the first set of brackets. And we will get 4x squared minus 28x. Then we have to subtract the resultant of the product. So 2x multiplied by 2x, we get 4x squared. 2x times 5 plus 10x. Then distribute -3, we will get -6x minus 15. Next, we have to remove the brackets by distributing this minus sign into the terms inside. So take note of the change of sign. And then we have to rearrange the terms. Now you will notice that 4x squared can subtract 4x squared to give 0. So the remaining terms, we will get -28x minus 10x plus 6x plus 15. So let's use Bodmer's rule to help us do this calculation without the use of calculator. -28 subtract 10, we will get -38x. Then -38 plus 6, we get -32x. For these 3 questions, please try this on your own.